In this video, I will show you how to get Spotify Premium for free. First, search for Spotify on Google, as I'm doing here, and click on the first official Spotify link. Once you're on the Spotify website, simply log in to your Spotify account. After logging in, click on Explore Premium, then select Get Spotify Premium for 1 month for free. Next, add your payment details and click on Complete Purchase. You won't be charged immediately, but make sure you pay attention to the trial terms. Spotify states that if you don't cancel your subscription before the trial ends on the 12th of September 2026, your subscription will automatically renew and you'll be charged the regular subscription fee every month until you cancel it. If you cancel during the trial period, you may lose access to your premium benefits immediately. So, if you only want the free trial, remember to cancel before the trial ends to avoid being charged. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.